Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload or how to add a profile watermark or video watermark. So sometimes when you watch any videos, then you can see here the right bottom corner on your screen or the video screen, you will see a little logo or maybe subscriber or channel logo or anything. It's a little one, so it's called video watermark. Okay, so it's carry your watermark or copyright things. So how can you add this thing? Okay, so you have to go google youtube.com. So you have to go youtube.com, and after that you can see the option uh, right top corner on your screen. It's called profile icon. Simply click on that, and again click view your channel. Simply click on that and click customize channel, and then you can see here branding. Okay, under channel customization branding, click on that and scroll down the last option video watermark. You can see this one. Okay, this one, it's like it is the watermark. The watermark will appear on your video in the right hand corner of the video player. So simply click upload, and then you have to made or you have to prepare the icon, little icon. It's can be 150 into 150 pixel, and you recommend it PNG or GIF, but not animation, BMP or JPG file edit. It's maximum 1 megabyte or less, and after that simply click, and once you see here that watermark image, then click here publish, then it will be added here. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.